Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your Google account. Alright, let's begin. To start, make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. Go to Google and click your profile icon at the top right. Then select Manage your Google account. On the next page, click the magnifying glass icon at the top and type Delete. You will see an option labeled Delete your Google account. Click that. Now, sign into your account again for verification. Once done, you will then be taken to a new page where Google will ask if you want to download your data. This includes Gmail, YouTube, photos, calendar, and any other content linked to your account. Make sure to review this information carefully. If you want to keep any of the data, download it before proceeding. Once you have read through everything, scroll down to the bottom. You will be asked to acknowledge that you understand all content will be permanently deleted. Tick the boxes to confirm. Next, click the Delete Account button. Your Google account will now be permanently deleted along with all associated data. So that's basically how you can permanently delete your Google account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.